Welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to create a public community in Reddit. Now let's begin. Initially, you have to be logged into your Reddit account. You can do it using your mobile device or your desktop device. Once you have logged in, on the homepage, you will see something like this: create post and create a community. You can create a community from here, and also the other option is simply going to the profile, scrolling down, and you will see here create a community. Simply click on it. Now to create a public community type, click on the public community radio button, input the name of the community, and you can also select the 18+ year old community if you wish. I'm going to click on it and simply hit on create community. And we are done. This is how we create a public community using Reddit. Hope you guys found the video useful, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.